Yeah, well, heat pumps have always been around. I mean, I'm a third generation refrigeration mechanic. My grandfather and father were both refrigeration mechanics. Uh, my grandfather installed and maintained and repaired heat pumps. But what has happened is because the technology has gotten so much better over the years, the, the, the use for the heat pump has become a lot more broad. So you could apply this technology to more and more things. You know, like for example, back in the 80s when we put the heat pumps in, everyone complained that it felt cool coming out of the registers and they thought it was very drafty. But today, when we put a heat pump in, I don't think a customer can tell the difference.